Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the camera and placing it near your router. Power LED should be steady. Open My Home, sign in, and grant location and camera permissions so the app can discover devices. Make sure your phone is connected to the two. 4 GHz network and Bluetooth is enabled. This is crucial because the camera uses 4 GHz for the initial setup. Once done, tap Add Device and choose the camera category to start pairing without scanning a QR code. You now switch to alternative pairing. In My Home, tap the option for no QR code or manual setup. The app prompts for your Wi-Fi SSID and password. Enter them exactly, including upper-lowercase and special characters. If the camera supports AP mode, follow prompts to connect your phone to the camera's temporary Wi-Fi hotspot, then return to the app to push credentials. For audio pairing, hold the phone near the camera and allow the app to transmit Wi-Fi data via sound if prompted. You finish by waiting for the camera to appear online in My Home, then rename it and assign a room. Make sure the firmware update completes if offered. If connection fails, reboot the camera and router, then retry AP or audio pairing. This often clears transient issues. Also make sure your router isn't using client isolation, and that too. 4 GHz channels are compatible. Changing channel or temporarily disabling band steering can resolve stubborn failures. One key tip: try setup within 3 feet of the router.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.